You already made 5 videos this week. You just can't see them yet. They are hiding in the video you already finished. Today, we are getting into AI clipping. HeyGen finds your best moments and cuts them into short clips automatically. I love this for us. Hey friends, Mary Lou here, and this is Starting with HeyGen. Today is about getting more out of what you already made with AI clipping. One long video in and a handful of ready-to-post short clips out. This is the lazy genius move for anyone who wants to get the most out of their content without making brand new videos every time. Like always, there's a few ways to get here, but the most direct is on the homepage or in apps. Once you're in, you have a few options. First, we want to upload our video or drop in a URL. I'm dropping in one of our earlier episodes, a video I already finished that's been out there doing its job. Let's find out what else it's been hiding. While that uploads, let's set the job up. Clip duration. I leave this on auto. Output format. 3 options, 9x16 vertical, 16x9, or 1x1 square. These are going on social media, so 9x16. Caption style. This is the fun part. A whole gallery of looks, and the captions get baked right into the clip. Subtle gray if you want to keep it chill. Shadow mint if you want something a little bit more exciting. Stamp red if you're feeling spicy. I'm going with this one, but flip through and find the one that's right for you. And additional instructions. A prompt box. You want to put in anything you want to make sure the clipping tool keeps in mind. HeyGen's own example made me laugh. Don't remove the scene with the cat. Since my cat isn't in this video, I will click the surprise me button to see what else it has to offer. Hit submit, and here's what's happening. HeyGen watches the whole video, finds the moments that stand on their own, the punchy line, the strong idea, the good hook, and then cuts them into clips you can post as is. Look at that. We got so many clips from that one video. Let's take a look at what it gave us. You planned it once, you scripted it in one session, you generated in one session. The thinking and the making happened separately, and everything was faster because of it. The creators who post consistently aren't doing anything special that you cannot do yourself with a little planning, some smart batching, and using the right tools. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you might even find yourself actually enjoying the process. Imagine that. Now let's open one up. Look at everything you can do from this page. Download it, share it, or publish it straight to YouTube from here. And my favorite part, the score tab. HeyGen grades every clip for you. Hook, flow, value, trend, and an overall score. So if you can't decide which one to post first, let the grades decide. And for my editor friends, yes, that says export XML. If you know, you know. But if you don't know and you want to know, tell me in the comments. One more door I have to show you. Everything we just did, that was for uploading a video. But if the video already lives in HeyGen, you don't have to upload anything. Head to your projects and open any video you've made. See this Make Edits panel? AI clipping is right there. And look, same idea. You pick your source language. For duration, auto again, or up to 3 minutes. Ratio, 16x9 or 9x16. Captions on or off. And the prompt box here is called Highlight Instructions. Same job as the one we filled out before, but a different name tag. You get 150 characters to tell it what matters. And yes, the surprise me button is here too. So, video from anywhere, use the app, and upload. Video already in HeyGen, it's one click away from its own page. Now you've got a stack of clips from one video. Post them across the week. Let them bring people back to the full video. Quick tip on how to set yourself up for success. AI clipping looks for moments that stand on their own. So videos with clear, punchy beats clip beautifully. A video that's one long run-on sentence gives it less to grab. If you script with strong beats, and if you've been hanging out with me, you definitely do, you're already making clip-friendly videos. And take a second here. Look how far you've come. You've made an avatar that looks like you. You gave it a voice that sounds like you. You learned the full editor. You learned to prompt like a director. And now you are turning one video into a whole week of content. Look at you go. AI clipping. Upload a video you already made from HeyGen or from anywhere. Give it one line of direction. Pick 9x16 and let HeyGen pull the best moments into short clips. Check the scores, pick your favorites, post them all week. One video can give us so much to work with. We are on a mission to make sure you get the best results out of HeyGen. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single video. And if this series is helping you, drop a comment. I love to see them, and they tell us exactly what else you need to know so you can feel confident using these tools. See you in the next one.